Menteri Berim badai kami yaki kampok yang ke Jela bad ubadairu Nongaibuit Jong ke Sorkar Jela ubak lakmen rumbui ula banjur baka inner line permit lani ke ILP bad ke Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act arjar khatnriu kilong ki pakongsan bha na ke benta ke ban yakun yaki jing jong ke jingwan kerthap bad buhai shnong be an ha ke ni ke Jela ula kedau baki jingja baju jaman kapor jong ke jingwan rungtu haki jaka khaput kumbala pentip taki bor pahara ki nong snong bat ki sang bhalang ki penpau ya ke jingdon kam kerki ban penklan ya ki lat Ïada.
We have some the ILP is not only the demand of the NGO, it is also the wish of the people of Meghalaya. That's why you have seen that the Meghalaya State Assembly have passed the resolution. ILP should be introduced in the state of Meghalaya. Having said that, and that issue is remained with the government of India, and what they have to implement, when it will be applicable to Meghalaya or not, that is I cannot say right now. But I'm very glad that the government of Meghalaya, from time to time, have taken the measure to see that this issue could be prevented as much as possible. So any mechanism which is to deter the infiltration resistance or any mechanism to protect and prevent infiltration, that is welcome to the people of Meghalaya.